We are pleased to show you the 2017
Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, power moonroof, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.